Hey everyone, Dr. Magic here with another magic egg. This is a unique egg. This egg is pink with black triangles on it. I wonder what's inside. Only one way to find out. First, we have to crack the egg with our magic hammer. I think we cracked it. I wonder what's inside. Cool. Do you know what kind of animal this is? This animal is gray with big ears. It kind of looks like a bear. This animal is called a koala. He's pretty cute. Koalas live on the continent of Australia. Let's see where that is on the globe. Right there. That's where koalas come from, Australia. Now, koalas look like bears, but they're not really bears. They're actually a kind of animal called a marsupial, which means they have on their belly, they have a little pouch that they carry their babies in. Pretty cool, huh? Now, koala's favorite food is the eucalyptus tree. That's what they eat almost exclusively. Do you know what sound a koala makes? Let's see if we can hear it. Whoa! Pretty cool, huh? Well, thanks for watching. Be sure to watch my other videos and subscribe to my channel, Dr. Magic's Eggs, to see what's inside other magic eggs. You never know what we'll find.